How to set the side button. Double press to open Samsung Note to write with pen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus or the S25 Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down and then tap on advanced features. After that, go down, then tap on side button. And from here, tap on double press, tap on the left hand side panel. Then from the list, select Samsung Notes and then tap on the settings icon. From here, we select write with pen. After that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now, if you double press on the side button, this will launch Samsung Notes and ready for you to write with pen. So here we have pen ready, and you can start to immediately write with pen. So a great shortcut allowing you to quickly write with pen. So you can write or draw whatever you want. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.